So say you start. So this is going to be done by Zach. He's amazing. Here we go. Pause for a minute.
Okay, so problem 1 is saying there's 3 different it's a triangle, and we already know these 2 angles. We're trying to find this angle. So what we need to do is, we know a triangle equals 180. So we know a triangle equals 180. And we already have 2 of the angles. Now all the angles added up together have to equal 180. So if we add 70 and 48, that equals 8, carry the, there's no 1, oops. 118. Now we have to do 180 minus 118 equals 62, and x equals 62. Okay, now let's go to problem 2. So it's 123 and 25. And we know it's 180. A triangle equals 180 again. So we do 123 plus 25 equal 8. 148. So now we're going to add x to this equation. And it's a basic equation, so let's put this line. Minus 148.
Are you just in trouble?
Huh?
Are you just in the hall then?
148. Now 10 minus 2 is 9, minus 8 is 2. This is 7, 3, 32. X equals 32.
Don't get stuck. If you look like
32.
you're going to hit stuff, you put a freeze finger on.
Okay. Now let's go to the next problem. So this one is pretty easy. Since there's 3 x's, we're going to write 3x equals 180. Now divide by 3, those cancel. Divide by 3. Now 180 divided by 3 is 60. So yeah. Now this one gets a little tricky. We're trying to find the exterior angle. So here we go. We know 130. We first got to find the whole triangle, and then we can find, wait, no we don't. It's 133 right here, and this is a 180-degree line.
Is that Mr. Max?
So this is a 133-degree line, and this is a 180 line.
Really? Taylor.
And
Did you get in trouble?
180 minus 133 equals
Let's head to Snapchat again.
47, so x equals 47 degrees. Okay, so this one has a square right here. Here's the triangle. So, and the square equals 90 degrees. So 90 plus 2x equals 180. Now if we minus 90, that cancels, minus 90. That's 0, carry the 1. 18 minus 9 is 9. So 2x equals 90. Divide by 2, those cancel. X equals 45. Okay, so we're trying to find degree A, B, and C.
Is it space?
Well, with this one,
No, well, I thought
we know that if these two are the same, they're crossing, we can figure out that B equals 87. Now that we know that B equals 87, we can use that to find A. So 42 plus 87 equals 129. So it's 129, the total. Now we do 180 minus 129, and that equals
There is no password.
1.
There is no password.
51. Okay,
Hurry.
so we know 51 replaces A. Now, I'm going to erase all this so we have room for C. Just 1 second. Okay, here we go. So we know it's 180. We're going to put C right there and plus 38 plus 87. Now we're going to add the like terms, which are these two. We're going to put it up here. 38 plus 87 equals 5, carry the 1. 125. Now we do 125. This cancels out right here. Now minus 125. That's a 5. I'm going to write it above it. 5 right here. 55. Okay, now we're going to flip the paper over and do the other problems. Okay, this one we're going to use the exterior angle theorem, or whatever it is. And this is 49 plus 90. 49 plus 90 equals... What do I do? $139. And we don't have to find this angle to find this angle, because with the exterior angle theorem, it says if we just add the two farthest away angles, we get this exterior angle right here. And we found it, it's 139. Okay, so we know it's 139, but I'm still going to show the longer way. So we're going to do 130, 180, minus 139, which equals 141.
You ready? What do you think? You're going to open the door?
Now 40. Now we're going to place 41 right here. And now, since this is a 180 line, we're going to do 180 minus 41, which equals 9, carry place to 7, 39, 139. Same answer. Okay, we're going to go to the next problem now. And given line P is parallel to line Q, solve for x. So we know that this is 60, and that this would be 120, since 180 minus 60 equals 120. And if this is 60, this has to be 60 as well. Well, if these two lines right here are parallel, then these would have to equal the same. So this would be 60 right here. So we know that this would equal 60 then. So now we just solve. Place the line. Minus 20. Minus 20. That equals 40. 4x equals 40, divide by 4. X equals 10. Okay, and we're going to go to the next problem. Given that line C is parallel to line D, so we know that these two, well, these three have to equal 180. So 38 plus 20, 38 plus 25 plus Z equal 180. So we'll add the like terms, and that would equal 38 plus 25 equals 3, carry the 1, 63. Now 63, those cancel, minus 63. That's 7. 117, so Z equals 117 degrees. So now that we know what 117 is, what Z is, we can replace Z with 117. Now that Okay, now that we found 117, we replaced it up there. I'm going to erase all this down here, so if you don't have it down, just quickly pause the video. Okay, so we know that C and D are parallel lines. So they go on forever and ever. So there's a one line that goes through it. It's going to be the exact same because it's just a big X. So we're going to make a huge X right here. So if this is 25, well, if this is 117 right here, hold on. We would know that. Okay, I messed up. So we're going to erase these two lines. And this is 117 again. Since the lines C and D are parallel, it will just, if there's a line, it's just going to reflect, it's just going to flip. So this is 25, so Y would equal 25 as well. And since this is 38, X will equal 38. Okay, we're going to go to the next problem. Determine whether lines P and Q are parallel. Prove a justification for your response. Well, one way we know that it's parallel is because, first of all, if this right here is 94, we got to find out what's right here. Okay, so we're going to do 180 minus 94, and that equals 6. There's a 7 up here. 17 minus 9 is, it is 8. So this is 86 right here. And 86 just flips to right here. And 86 is right here. again, right here. Now, if this is 86 right here, this is 86 right here, that would mean that these would have to be parallel because they are parallel. Hold on. We're going to write this in this red pen. They are parallel because they have the same angles. Hold on, I'm going to rewrite this. They are parallel because they have the same Mac, I'm recording the videos for Mac that go on Canvas. Oops. Okay, so now that we know what X and Z are, we can find Y, because I'm going to erase the T, how we found T, and now I'm just going to erase all real quick. Okay. Since we know what Z and X are, we can do 89 plus 49 plus Y equal 180. So combine the two like terms, which are 89 and 49. 9 plus 9 is 18, carry the 1. 8 plus 4 is 12, add 1 is 13, so 138. So now we minus 138 from 180. Carry the 1. That's a 2. 7. 7 minus 3 is 4. So Y has to equal 42. Okay, so now we're going to go to the next problem. What value of X will make the... Hold on.